Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Marisol Vergara, 27 years of age, single parent with the two kids, 7 years old and 3 years old. I'm undergraduate in college information technology. I had experience here in Hong Kong. I serve 4 members of the family, one couple elderly, two adult, 28 years old and 30 years old. I have also experience there in Malaysia. I serve 6 members of the family, one couple elderly, one couple adult, and two kids, 8 years old and 3 years old. I have also experience there in Philippines. I serve 3 members of the family, one couple, one kid, 5 years old. I do cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, marketing, carrying the baby or carrying the kids. Um, I do everything. I hope you like me, Madam and Sir. I'm a good person. I do my best to do my best. I hope you like me. I'm trustworthy, honest. Mm, thank you, Madam and Sir.